Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Customize the Droid, back with another video. This video is little bit different from all the videos that I have uploaded previously. This video is about the Desi Cardboard. Basically, the Desi Cardboard is a VR cardboard. You guys might have already heard about the Google Cardboard or the Samsung Gear VR. This product is similar to the Google Cardboard. I got this product from the website desicardboard.com. So if you guys wanna buy one, then search for Desi Cardboard, go to the website and buy it. The actual cost of this product is Rs 500, but if you buy it right now, then you will get this cardboard for Rs 1 plus 99 rupees shipping charges, as right now the offer is available by using the coupon code 1 plus 99. As I said, this product will cost you Rs 500, but with this offer, it will cost you only Rs 100, including shipping charges. There is a version 2 of the Desi Cardboard which is already available for pre-order, but this version 2 of Desi Cardboard will cost you around Rs 1000 plus shipping charges if applicable. I got this unit shipped from Bangalore. Cash on delivery option is available only on selected cities, otherwise you will have to make an online payment only. There are other cardboard VR available in Amazon. Just go to the website, search for cardboard, and there you will find the list of products of VR cardboards. You can make this VR cardboard at home if you have all the stuffs available with you and the proper plan of methodology to make the cardboard. But if you are looking for the finished product, then probably buying one will be the better option for you. As right now the offer is available in the Desi Cardboard website, so buying one will be the better option for you, as it will be available only for Rs 100. But this is the version 1 of the Desi Cardboard. I have never used any VR cardboard till now, but this will be my first experience using the VR cardboard. So without any further ado, let's get right into it and let's open this up. So let's see what we get. Okay, the first thing we get is the manuals, a very short manual. Let's see what it says. It says Desi Cardboard. Thank you for buying the Desi Cardboard. The step 1 to assemble, step 2 to download any VR apps, step 3 to unleash the future. Inside here we get the instruction for assembling the Desi Cardboard, how to install the headband. The headband is also available in the Desi Cardboard website, where you can buy the headband if you want, and the instructions about the magnet. Let's see what this magnet says. It says when you pull the magnet down, it creates a magnetic pulse which is detected by your phone as a signal and takes that as a yes or a no as per the app. This may not work with all the phones. Please check the compatibility list on our site. So in their website, the compatibility list of the phones are available, and this is the QR code in order to install the VR app while for using the cardboard. Basically, that is a QR code. You can see the version 2 is already available, and it is available for Rs 1000 as if for now, and plus the shipping charges which is applicable. So that's pretty much it with the manual. Now let's open the cardboard. Here we have two magnets, and this is the Desi Cardboard. So this is how it looks like. I have never used any VR cardboard, so I have to check the manual in order to get it properly assembled and then ready to use it. Okay, so now let's assemble the cardboard. The first thing you need to see to it that you just take care of this magnet, because these are important, so just keep it aside. And second thing you will notice is that there are stickers on the cardboard, so you need to remove those stickers. There is one sticker over here and there is another sticker over here, so you need to remove those stickers in order to stick it and then assemble the cardboard. So I will remove those stickers first. So you can see there is a glue over here in order to stick. This was the second sticker. You can there is already a glue over here, part of glue, a portion of glue, so I will stick this. Once this is done, and the second part of the glue, which is over here, you have to stick this over here. Once that is done, and then this part you will there was already a glue over here, so you will stick it, and then you will fold it like this. Here you will see a flap, so you need to take it out and get stuck here. Don't apply much of force, just be careful while assembling it. Once this is done, and the last part you will stick it over here. Just make sure everything sticks fine. And this part you will fold it, and you will make sure you leave some gap over here in order to give an access for your phone. So in order to do that, you can just fold it. You can just fold this inside. Not that, so only one side is enough, so that this part stays open and the phone doesn't fall off. And here we go. Oh, we forgot the magnets, so you need to open the magnet. You can see the round portion which is over here. You just need to place your magnet here and stick it. You will feel the glue inside, or you need to stick it over there, and the second part of the magnet will lies here. This will act like a button, or say a slider, and and we are done. So this is how the Desi cardboard looks like. This is very simple, very plain, no branding at all. So this is kind of a finished product. Instead of making of your own at home, you can have this product of only ₹100. You can go to the website and buy this product right now, as right now the offer is available. You can buy this product for ₹100, and this is how the Desi cardboard looks like. So now let's have a look at the app. So now let's have a look at the Google Cardboard app. You need to open the app. It's taking you to the setup. Find the symbol or the viewer. I have the QR code, so you need to scan the QR code. Maybe viewer detected. It says viewer detected. Done. And here you have the cardboard demos, 360-degree video channel, Cosmic Roller Coaster, VR Roller Coaster. So these are basically apps which you need to install, and you can enjoy those 3D apps on your VR, Desi Cardboard VR. So this is how it will look like inside the lenses once you have your phone and the app installed. So this might not give you the actual overview of the VR experience, but you can definitely try it on your phone, and mostly the compatible phones will work great on this app. So make sure that you have the app and everything installed, and the compatible phone which works with the VR application. So that's it for Customize the Droid. If you guys enjoyed this video, do hit the like button and comment on the comment column in case of any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Till then, bye guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.